Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today. And I haven't even opened the box. It's not even opened. Gotta block my dress. It's not even opened. Good for me. Although Wantable does make it really hard to peek. The only time you can kind of preview what you're getting is if you lie and say that you have already received the box. But I didn't do that, so good for me. Let's open this box. Okay, here's our bundle. And it looks promising. I mean, there's some tie-dye in there's some navy, which I'm not big on. I've told all my boxes, I'm not big on navy, but yet there it is. It must just be a nice winter color because they keep sending it. Got some jeans, a couple different tie-dyes it looks like, so let's just get right into it. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, if you want to use my referral link down below, I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to learn more about Wantable, it's going to be in the description because I don't remember stuff. So I do too many of these, I don't remember the specifics. I think it's $20 styling fee. You can do it monthly, every 3 months, on demand. They have limited theme boxes, limited time theme boxes, so check them out. Crinkle! Alright, they send you your return mailer. Oh, we have some jewelry. Send you the return mailer. They send you the note and the invoice with the prices. Hi Rachel, we're gonna read the note. By Christina. Craving comfort but still want to feel presentable? You know it. Totally get it. Me too. It's all about elevated details and soft materials. I hope these pieces help you to look and feel great. Sent a pair of Vigas and cute sweaters / pullovers. Be happy to work with you on incorporating some fresh colors or silhouettes next time. I got you. I got you! My friend Autumn says that. I got you! Take care and be sure to let me know what you think. The I got you stems from going on a tubing trip for my friend Amber's bachelorette party, and we were all holding on to the tubes together. So we were there was tons of us, 10 of us, 12 of us. And we were bouncing off the sides of the river, and every time we would bounce into a tree, Autumn would scream, I got you! And steer us away. Anyway, that's the story. Back to the box. So we're gonna open the jewelry first. Oh, that's cute. It's dainty. It's like a little horseshoe. A golden horseshoe. That's cute. I really like it. Although I did just keep a necklace from my Nadine West box. If you haven't watched that unboxing and you want to, it'll put it right up there. You can click on it if you're on your phone or your computer, I think. But when you watch it on the TV, you can't click on it. So you don't know what I'm talking about. But Nadine West unboxing. I kept a necklace. Let's see. This is so pretty. Oh no. Oh no. That might have to stay with me. Are we gonna put it on? We are. Hey, here it is. I spared you my awkwardness of taking it out of the bag and putting it around my neck. But here it is. It's so sparkly. Let's zoom out. I always do that. You'd think I would learn. But it's so sparkly and pretty and I like it. Can I keep him on? Can I? I'm going to, I think, depending on the price. Wantable's pricing, is what always gets me, so we'll see. But I really like it so far. I'm going to keep this over here just in case I'm not keeping it. But we'll see. Okay. Here, oh, it's stretchy. Okay, that's good. I was afraid, this material. That's cute for work. It is by West Key, blue orange, and it's actually stitched right there, so that's good, so it won't come open. And it looks like it has a little twist on the side. That might be cute, even though it's navy. It says blue orange, but it does look kind of more brownish to me, but it's like a burnt orange, we'll call it. And next we have some tie-dye. It is so soft inside. It's cropped. It's really cute. Oh my gosh. It's probably expensive because it's just a plain old sweatshirt. But it is so soft inside. Do you see that soft texture? Oh, and this is Week and. It's by Week and. Oh, I have been loving sweatshirts lately. Here we have a real orange cowl neck. Oh, it has cute buttons. You guys, am I annoying you with all my gasps? I don't care. Look, it has cute buttons. It has a nice texture on the front. Oh, that's cute. This is by Metric Knits, MK, Metric Knits. And if you're wondering where I got this knit, it's from Walmart. So, it's not the best quality. There's some like little holes, but that's fine. Wear a tank top under it. This is really cute, stretchy. I requested this one. On the stream, they have this stream where you can like request things. Ready? It's a wine sweatshirt. Maybe you couldn't see that because the tag was there. But it says wine. That's my alma mater. Not really. So it's just a sweatshirt. It's really cute. It says wine. I wanted to try it. This one is expensive though, but it's really soft inside as well. So for a sweatshirt, it's very expensive. I'm not going to tell you how much it is right now, but I remember it from the stream, and we'll go over prices at the end, so as not to upset ourselves. These are shorts. I'm sorry, but I'm not even going to try these on. Why are they sending me shorts? It's February. No. I am not gonna even try these on. I'm sorry. And it's that material. They are very soft, but it looks like it's, you know, already been washed a bajillion times. Stretchy, drawstring, you get the picture. I'm not trying those on. I'm sorry. I usually try everything on. I'm not changing into shorts today. Sorry. And last we have these Goss jeans. And these look like they are a straight leg, which I don't do usually, typically, but see? Is that coming back? I had another box where it reminded me of high school, where the bottoms of your jeans just drag in the wet, in the snow, and it creeps up your pants, and I don't like that. So, yeah, okay, Stevie mid-rise cropped straight. So not only is it a straight leg, but it's cropped, which will probably just end up being like a normal length on me because my legs are short. But I don't need cropped right now because it's February once again. But I will try these on because they're not shorts. So let's get to it. Wine! It's what's for dinner. It's not what's for dinner. I'm having sloppy joes. It's very soft inside. It's very cute. I would wear this, obviously, out and about, not to work. At home. I think every girl I would come in contact with would be like, love your sweatshirt, and I would be like, I know. Oh, it's ironic that I'm not drinking wine yet today in this video, but I will be drinking it later. If anyone cares. So it's very, very soft inside. It's very cute. It's very expensive, which I will go over shortly with you. But I do really like it. And I do have credit that I need to use up. Go wine! Okay, let's try on something else. Here's the next sweatshirt. It's very soft inside too. It's cropped, which I think would go good with some of my joggers I have. I think I like the wine sweatshirt better, but this one is really cute too. I love tie-dye. I don't care if it's out. I know that was like so a 2020 thing because we're all stuck at home tie-dyeing things, but I love tie-dye. I still do. I think it's cute. It has the drop shoulder. I like the colors. Here's the back. I wonder how much this one is. I don't know. But it's cute. I think I would wear the wine one more because I do have some other tie-dye sweatshirts that aren't cropped, but you know, if I ever wanted to crop them, just take some scissors. So this one is probably a no, but it is really soft and cute, and I do like it. Let's go to the next one. So I don't hate this one, but I think it is a little bit too form-fitting for my liking, personally. Like, I don't think it looks bad, but it's a little too much, I think. It's just too much. But I do like this. I like this cowl neckline. How I unbuttoned it one more time because I have a short neck and it was like too high up on me. But I do like this right here. I think the buttons there are cute. I like the I don't know what kind of pattern it is. I don't know. I can't remember the word. I said it yesterday because we're redoing our bathroom downstairs. My husband's working on our bathroom and it's gonna be so beautiful. And the floor tile that we picked is kind of similar to this pattern on here, and I don't remember what it's called. It's not bad. I like the color. I like orange. My friend Mari's looking for an orange sweater currently. I think it's just a little bit too form-fitting for my liking. All right, and I'm trying all these on with my regular Begos jeans because I feel like when I try on shirts with the jeans they send me and I don't like the jeans, it skews my view of the shirts. So let's try on the last shirt and then I'll try on the jeans. Okay, Westkey, getting a little spicy here. Spicy? I don't know. I like this one. I would, if I kept it, I would sew it a little bit right here too. It is sewn here, but just for the added security of not coming open. But it's not really doing it too much. I think if I were to wear this to work, I mean, I'd have to wear, because these are high rise and my jeans or my pants at work are high rise. And I think I would have to wear a tank top under this because, I mean, it's my stomach. But I do like how it twists up here. I thought it was just a twist and it like still came down like that. But I think that's cute. Here's the back. I think it's cute. I like the V-neck. I like this necklace. Do you guys like it? I think it's really nice. Okay. I like this shirt. I'm not sure if I would wear it though. Because it's navy and most of my pants are black. And I know you can wear navy and black, but I just don't know that I would. Okay, let's try on the jeans with my Walmart sweater. No. First off, they don't fit great. They're pretty tight. They're pretty tight up here. Winter's not been kind. But they're cropped. And like, let me move the camera down some more. Don't you guys love when we just do these little face-to-face, you know, moving the camera? You probably don't. You probably hate it, but that's fine. Okay, let's see. They're cropped. If they were skinny cropped, I could deal with that. But because these are straight, they almost look flared on me. Do you see that? So, no. Begos, no. I usually love Begos, but they gotta fit and they gotta be the skinny like I like. I do like the distressing on the knees. I do like that. Nope. Okay. And as we know, I'm not trying on the shorts, so deal with that. All right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and then if you haven't subscribed and you like unboxings like this, hit the subscribe button down below. I appreciate it. And then you can see when I post stuff. I've been trying to do it like once a week, but sometimes stuff gets away from you, so thanks. All right, so the Lucky Charm. Oh, my Lucky Charms. Sorry. Whenever I hear like Lucky Charms, it just reminds me of Austin Powers. And if you've seen Austin Powers, you know what I'm talking about. When the guy leaves a charm when he kills people, you know. Anyway, The Lucky Charm necklace in gold, $40. I like that, and I have credit, so I think I'm gonna keep it. And the $20 from that I already, did will go towards it, so $20 really. The tie-dye shorts in Poppy, $42. I would only ever sleep in a short like that. I wouldn't go out in a short like that. I'm not gonna spend $42 on something I'm gonna sleep in, and I don't even do that, so. The fold-over neck sweater Terracotta XL by Metric, $69. It was a nice sweater, it was just a little too clingy. The Stevie Straight and Medium Destructed by Vigas, $84. When I get Vigas jeans from Stitch Fix, they're usually always $68, so I don't know what you're doing over there, Wantable, but you jacking up the prices. Printed 3/4 sleeve knit V-neck top by West Key, $58. The tie-dye fleece crew neck pullover in the color denim / marigold, $59. It was very soft, but I do have other tie-dye sweatshirts. And the wine, which it's expensive, but I think I'm gonna keep it because I have credit. The wine willow sweatshirt in burgundy, $64 per sweatshirt. But it's very soft. I'm a sucker for, softness. So the whole box total of the 7 items, $416. Sorry, I looked out my window. If you keep 5 or more, then you get 20% off. So the box would be $332.80 minus the styling fee of the $20. So the whole box would be $312.80 if I didn't have any credit. As it is, I do have credit, and I believe I'm going to keep this necklace here, and I think I'm going to keep the expensive sweatshirt because I will get a lot of wear out of it. I think I'm going to wear it today when I'm done doing this video. So there's that. So all right, you guys, that's it. That was the Wantable box. Wantable, I will say it's not my favorite box, but I do always keep something. And it's not just because I've already invested $20 in it. I do usually like at least one thing. And that's all I can really hope for. Because I don't want to buy tons of stuff if I'm not going to wear it. You know what I mean? So it is good for at least one item, I believe. And if you want to try Wantable again, I'll leave my referral link down below if you want to use it. I'd really appreciate it. No pressure. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you next time.